I'm Dean Baker with Modern Day Thrive. Today it's Saturday, October 31st, Halloween, and I am in Winter Park, Florida. Beautiful day. It's probably in the mid 80s, so it's a little warm, but for October 31st on Halloween, it is actually just a beautiful day for us here in Florida. I'm at the Winter Park Farmers Market. I love coming by here because this is a great place to take photos. They have a rose garden right around the corner, and I don't know if I showed you enough of this, but I'll shoot you a wide shot, see if I can kind of get this here. Right across the train tracks is the Winter Park Farmers Market. Farmers markets are likely found pretty much everywhere in the US, from larger cities like Orlando to suburbs and small towns. You will usually find a farmers market. Here in Central Florida, there's probably over a dozen farmers markets, all within an hour of Orlando. They operate on Saturdays, Sundays, and even a few on weeknights. These are great for small businesses. It's a great place for a producer to sell directly to the consumer without a middleman, and far less government regulation than most larger businesses. The cost is usually very low and sometimes even free to become a vendor. Each county has its own restrictions and guidelines on what you can sell and how much you can sell. If you're a local grower, a restaurant, a baker, and yes, even a soap maker, the farmers market should be a consideration for selling your products. I come here to take photos, sometimes engage small businesses to offer my services, and most importantly, get something great to eat. Today was a spinach quiche from a very popular French restaurant, Chez Vincent. Downtown Winter Park is not just a Saturday farmers market. In fact, from the looks at it today, thriving is going on here. Let me show you. Downtown Winter Park was booming as well. Very trendy restaurants, shopping, and it seems like everyone's taking their toys out for a drive. So I've been in downtown Winter Park now for 2 hours, and here's one thing I noticed. I have not seen any vacant storefronts or vacant restaurants since I've been here, which means they're doing okay. I wonder what they're doing that so many others aren't. Everywhere I look, people are wearing masks, keeping socially distant, and with the place being as popular as it is, and there's a fair amount of traffic here, things are looking good for downtown Winter Park. That's it for now. I'm Dean Baker with Modern Day Thrive, and enjoy your weekends.